Good morning. We're going to make a series of video session to help people read at the beginning level in French. Nous allons faire des séries de vidéos pour aider les personnes à lire à un niveau débutant en français. Okay, so we're going to start. So today we're going to learn how to pronounce the sound P in French. Comment prononcer le son P en français. Okay? So we're going to start. Le son P. Before we start, I think you need to know this. This is really important in French, those sounds. We call it voyelle. I'm sure it's the same thing in English, voyelle. So we have E, it's called accent aigu. E is called accent grave. And E. So E, and E. So E like la fusée. E like une flèche. And E like la tête. Okay, so this is a sound you need to have in mind for some of the sounds we're going to go over here. So we're going to start. P, A, pa. P, A, pa. P, O, po. P, O, po. P, I, pi. P, I, pi. P, U, pu. P, U, pu. P, Y. So Y in French, when you read it in a word, is like I. P, I, pi. P, I, pi. P, E, P. P, E, P. So E, remember E, like D, E. So P, E, P. E, like zèbre, E. P, E, P. P, E, P. Now we have E. P, E, P. Okay, so P, A, pa. So what is this? Repeat after me. Pa. What is this one? Try. Po. This one. Pi. This one. Pu. This one. Pi. This one. Pe. This one. P. This one. Pe. Okay? So I really encourage you to just repeat this video to be able to learn le son P. Thank you. Have a good day.